day, everyone. Welcome to our HVAC discussion. Today, we are going to discuss fan types. Fans may be classified into two main types, centrifugal fan and axial flow fans, which differ in the direction of airflow through the fan. A centrifugal fan is a mechanical device for moving air or other gases in a direction at an angle to the incoming fluid. In this fan, air is pulled along the fan shaft and then blown radially away from the shaft. The air is usually collected by a scroll casing and concentrated in one direction. What are these used for? A centrifugal fan is typically used for residential applications to move air through the duct in your home. Centrifugal fans may be subclassified into forward curve, radial, backward curve, and backward incline types, which differ in the shape of their impeller blades. And these are the impeller blade types: radial, backward incline, airfoil, radial tip, forward curve, and backward curve. An axial fan is a type of fan that causes gas to flow through in an axial direction, parallel to the shaft about which the blades rotate. The flow is axial at entry and exit. The fan is designed to produce a pressure difference and hand force to cause a flow through the fan. In an axial flow fan, air is pulled along the fan shaft and then blown along in the same direction. They are used to supply fresh air, to suck air from return air trenches, to suck air from rotary filters, and to exhaust air out. Axial fans may be subclassified into propeller, tubaxial, and vane axial types. The propeller fan consists of a propeller type wheel mounted on a ring or plate. The tubaxial fan consists of a propeller or disc type wheel beneath the cylinder, may be either belt-driven or connected directly